want everyone to know that our Lunar Hair Calendar is available 2024, MorroccoMethod.com. So see below in the description. Check out our calendar for 2024 for the rest of the year. 5 elements, make it happen. So I want to introduce the Year of the Dragon 2024. So I teach Qigong, so for me this is a very powerful year, and we have some very powerful dates coming up. We're getting in the spring, we have the equinox. In the summer, we have the solstice. Fall, we have the equinox. So those are very powerful dates for you to put down on your calendar for snipping, blunt snipping your hair. And also following the full moon. Those dates are very, very strong. And also using our 5 elements. So anyone and everyone who knows me knows that I'm into 5 fingers, 5 toes, 5 elements, fire, air, earth, water, ether, 5 elements, 5 beautifying, lengthening, strengthening, thickening, root work. And then we have 5 types of hair on the body. So what's going on with the dragon? The dragon is sea, land, life, fire, and wind. So that's the Chinese dragon. So this is going to be very, very, very powerful. And the dragon is the protector of heaven in the Taoist, in all of the Eastern philosophies. Everything to do with the dragon is you have to go past the dragon, through the dragon, to get to heaven. So that's the dragon's purpose, is to protect heaven. For 2024, read at least 30 minutes a day. I do Audible. I love listening to books. I have hundreds and hundreds of books. So this is one of my favorite books of all times. It's by Brian Schwim. The Universe is a Green Dragon. I've read this book, I would say at least 6 times, and every couple of years I pick it up and read it again, and I get so much out of it. So I'm highly recommending The Universe is a Green Dragon. And of course, our go-to Lunar Hair Calendar. Get your hair healthy, strong, longer. You want to grow your hair faster? Beautifying, lengthening, thickening, root work. A lot of hair problems, especially now. A lot of kids are having hair loss because of the styling products. They're all polymers, liquid plastic. Morrocco Method to the rescue. Blood of the Dragon Styling Gel. Another dragon there. So use that in good health. It's my favorite. When I shampoo my hair, I always put in Blood of the Dragon Styling Gel. It's nice and soft. I let it either dry naturally, it gives me that wet look, or I just brush it out and it still holds my hair in place. Blood of the Dragon. Year of the Dragon 2024. Enjoy the power of the dragon, the protector of heaven on earth. Let's make it happen. Let's be healthy, happy, and strong. Thank you from my heart. All blessings from Morrocco Method and from our staff. Thank you, thank you, thank you.